What's up, everybody? We are going to go through a banded overhead mobilization. This is going to be a great way to really help get that overhead mobility. Feel like you're getting stuck in that overhead position with anything. This should be your go-to. Also, a couple other things that you can do to really improve that. You can smash out lats, pecs. Those are going to be those muscular restrictions that are going to come up overhead. This is going to be more for the joint. This is trying to mimic a lot of those hands-on things that I do every day in the clinic. So you're going to take the band. Big thing is the band is going to go off of the shoulder. It's going to go on the elbow side of the shoulder, kind of right around that t-shirt line. Landmarks that you can use is you have this little bump on the top of your shoulder. That is your acromion process. We are going to go about a finger or 2 fingers off of that. That's going to make sure that we are on the humerus, that long bone that goes onto the shoulder, so that we can get that nice mobilization going down. So starting off, we're just going to step on the band, bringing it up, then pushing down. From here, biggest thing, we're just going to kind of go hips back just to get that relative angle to improve. From here, we can just kind of start to push on that band. Try and find any of those little sticky areas. If you find you've gone too far, you're all the way up overhead and it just feels really tight, back off just a little bit. The joint doesn't really like to move if it's completely wound up. So back off, give yourself a little bit of wiggle room to where the band can actually do the work and give that little pull. The goal with changing those angles is that you are looking for those little sticking points within the joint capsule to try and help improve your overall motion and mobility. You can also change body angle a little bit too if you want. You feel like you're up here, you want to rotate out a little bit more, that's okay. Or if you feel that you're just a little bit more stuck in a different position, a little closer to the head, a little bit further out, you can definitely play with those angles. There's no real big right or wrong angle to work into. Everybody's shoulder's a little different. Everybody's limitations are a little different. Try those different angles out. Try those different presses out. It's going to be a really great way to help loosen up the shoulder overall. The band is the way to go. Try it out. Let us know if you like these videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you videos to keep you active and healthy.